Hello everyone. So let us see the solution for this challenge question. So basically what you have to do, you have to calculate the heat loss, and I told that heat loss is simply defined as battery, work done by battery minus the final energy minus initial energy of the system. That is simply you have to do. So if you see when the initial condition, what you will observe, initially condition, if I see, so I see when the switch is at position 1, when the switch is at position 1, what is my circuit will look like? Obviously this part is not connected here only these three capacitors will be connected together. In this case, if I want to calculate my initial energy, what is my initial energy? Half, what is the capacitance value? 2 microfarad, half C, what is the voltage? That is 1 volt, plus half, what is the capacitance? That is 1 microfarad into 2 volt. And you can see here there is no need to write this because the voltage is 0, so the energy stored will be 0 for this. So I can directly write 0 here. So if you solve it, how much you will get? You will get 2 plus, and this one is how much? 4. You will get 6, that is 3 microjoule is the energy, initial energy, correct? Now the next thing is that you have to find the final energy. For finding the final energy, what you have to do? Now you have to bring the switch to second position, and then you have to start analyzing the system. So let us analyze the system. Just I am doing one thing. I am just copying this for you. Okay, let's clone it. We want to find the final energy, so for that we have to analyze this system 2. How to analyze it? Let us see. Okay, so for analyzing at, like, first you have to bring the switch from position 1 to position 2. So how the system will look like? In that case, the system will become like this. Okay, this is the switch will come at this position and the system will become like this. But is this potential will remain same? No, the potential will change. Obviously the potential will going to change. Now the thing is that how much is that potential is going to change? We have to find that, and then only we can find the energy. So we are going to apply the concept, and the concept is very simple. Initially, what is the charge on this plate? Initial charge. The initial charge on this plate is, if you remember, the initial charge on this plate will be 2 microcoulomb, but you can write plus 2 microcoulomb. On this plate is minus 2 microcoulomb. On this plate, what is the charge? What is the charge on this plate? That will be again plus 2 microcoulomb. What is on charge on this place? Minus 2 microcoulomb. What is the charge? Initially it is 0. There it is also 0. Okay, plus minus, correct? Suppose the charge flown from the battery is Q. Okay, or you can take something else also. That is not an issue. You can take from here whatever way you want, you can take. That is not a problem. But remember that now this potential will not going to be the same. This values will going to be changed. Okay, that you think you have to remember. How I have written this charge? This charge I have written because I know the initial potential. So initially this condition is there, so these charges are present. But as I am going to connect it with the battery, now the charge is going to be flown and the configuration is going to be changed. So I will apply the KVL in this. Okay, if I apply the KVL, then what is going to be happen? See, this is plus, if I apply the KVL, so let us take it as, see, the potentials are given in this manner, but as I am going to connect it with the battery, the something will going to be changed. So let us take it as plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, because that is connected to the higher potential, so it is something like going to be like this. So it is going to be 4 is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, like this, correct? 4 is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. And suppose the charge flown from the battery is Q. Okay, so what is the charge on this? Charge on this will become 2 plus Q microcoulomb. What is the charge on this plate? It will come out and it will go enter into this place, so it will become 2 plus Q microcoulomb. And in this surface, what is the charge? That is plus Q microcoulomb, correct? 0 plus Q. So what is V1? V1, then we will get V1 is equal to minus 2 plus Q divided by how much? C. What is the capacitance? 2 microfarad plus, what is V2? V2 will become 2 plus Q divided by 1 microfarad plus This is q by 2 microfarad, and that is equal to 4. You just multiply it with 2, you will get 8 is equal to how much? See, this is q, 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 3q, and 2 will cancel out, correct? These two will cancel out. I think I did something wrong. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So basically, when you multiply by 2, this 2 will cancel out. This will become 4q, na? Sorry, 2 to 4q. Sorry, this will become 4q. This will become 4. 4 plus 2 is 2. Okay. Anything else? No. So we will get our q is equal to how much? 6. 6 divided by 4 is how much? 6 divided by 4, that is 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 1.5 microcoulomb. So that is amount of charge which is flown from the battery. Okay, that amount of charge has been flown from the battery. So if you know the charge, how much charge is flown, now you can write the everything else. Now you can write the things very properly. You see, we know everything about right now. We know that is charge flown is 1.5 microcoulomb, and we also know the charge on this surface will become how much? Minus 2 plus q, that is how much? Minus 2 plus q, that is equal to minus 0.5 microcoulomb. What is the charge on this will become 2 plus q, that is 3.5 microcoulomb. What is the charge on this will become 1.5 microcoulomb. And the one more thing, you can see the potential of this plate is how much? Sorry, what is the value of capacitors? What is the value of capacitance? The value of capacitance is 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad and 2 microfarad. Simply you can do here also. This is 2 microfarad. Okay, this is 2 microfarad. No, I think this is 1 microfarad. This is 1 microfarad and this is 2 microfarad. Now you can calculate now you know the everything, and this is 4 volt of battery. Now you can calculate the work done by battery. What is the work done by battery? Work done by battery is what? That is defined as a charge flown into potential. Potential is 4 volt. What is the charge flown? See, 1.5 microcoulomb of charge has been flown. You can see this plate has a minus 0.5 now, and initially it has a how much charge? It has a minus 2 charge. So final minus initial, you will get how much? 1.5. So that means 1.5 coulomb of charge has been flown, microcoulomb. So what you will get? You will get 6 microcoulomb. That is a work done by the battery. Now what is the final energy of the system? You will calculate, that is half into capacitance is how much, or you can say half q naught square by c. That is also one formula we know. So half q naught square by c, or you can also use q by c as a voltage. So basically just use q naught square by c. So that is this much by 2 plus half into, what is the charge on this? 3.5 square divided by c plus half into, what is the charge? 1.5 square divided by 2. So what is the value you will get? You will get 1 by 2 as common, then 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 8, correct? That is 3 by 2, that is 9 by 4, then 3 by 2, that is 9 by 4, 9 by 4, that is 9 by 8, which will become 9 by 8. Are you getting my point now? Okay, so this will become how much? 1 by 2, 9 1 10, 10 by 8, that is 10 by 8 means 5 by 4 plus 9 by 4, 9 4 is 14. So this is 14 by 2 into 4, so 7. So we get as final energy as 7 by 4 microjoule. So this is 7 by 4 microjoule work done by the battery. We have also calculated the initial energy of the system, that is 34 joule. So now can you tell me what is the heat loss? So heat loss is very simple. That will be 6 microjoule, not coulomb, microjoule. Okay, that is 6 microjoule minus how much is the final energy? Final energy is decreases, that is 7 by 4 minus what is initial energy? That is 32. Now you calculate how much you will get. 6 minus 7 by 4 plus 32, and this will become how much? 6 minus 7 by 4, that is 24, minus 7 7 by 4. So how much you will get? 24 minus 7 is, sorry, yes, this is 24 minus 7 divided by 4 plus 32. So how much you will get? 17 by 4 plus 32, which is almost equal to how much? 36.25 microjoule. That is the heat loss in the system. Clear? That is a heat loss in the system. This is a challenge question for you. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have learned some new concept. So always remember, in any type of circuit which is given, this is the formula of a heat loss for this types of circuit. And if you want to know the detail and if you want to solve more, there is a link in this video description. You will find a complete, I have taken a complete lecture on this. You can go through it and you can learn about it. Okay, so I hope you have learned something new. Till then, take care, goodbye, and do your preparation well. Have a nice day. Thank you.